Welcome to A&M Excursions. I'm Misty, and I have a unboxing for you today from a company called Fortune Cookie Soap. So I get a monthly box from them called SES of the Month Club, and it is $16.95 per month. You get free shipping, and they also send you a $10 discount code off of $25 to use on their website. So I am giving you the February review for the Wonderland box. And this is the card that they send, and it does have all of the products that you receive on the back and tells you descriptions and a little bit about how to use them. So I'm going to start off with the It's Only a Dream Cuticle Butter, and it comes in these are all sample size products. So it comes in a little jar like this, and you just unscrew it, and it's cuticle butter, and you stick your finger in it like this. And you just rub it around your cuticles to soften your cuticles up. And that's just easy as can be. And it smells of, it says, "Welcome to Wonderland, where playing cards come to life and everything is full of nonsense. Calming verbena, lemongrass, calla lily, and citrus blended with leafy greens, ylang-ylang, rosewood, and ozone with hints of soft musk and roses." So that is the scent of it. This is an Alice in Wonderland inspired collection. So the next thing is the Who Are You charcoal face mask, and that is in this little jar. And this is going to be black because it is charcoal, but don't be afraid of it. It washes off. It's not going to stain your face or anything. It's just the way it is. And it smells of, let's see, it says, "You might hardly know, sir, just at present. At least you know who you were when you got up this morning. But after using this charcoal face mask, your skin must have changed since then with a mysterious scent mixture of crisp, ripe pear, twisted with tart limes, vanilla orchid, and a dash of raw cane sugar." And honestly, this is my second favorite scent out of the box. They have done these scents before, so I know what it smells like previous. The other scents, I know what they smell like. This is a throwback collection for them. It's amazing. Sorry. Alright, the next thing is called the Eat Me Deep Conditioner. And you open it up, and it's just kind of like a thick pomade that you put in your hair. On wet hair, of course. Leave it on for a couple minutes. Smells amazing. And then you rinse it off. So that's what that is. And the description on it reads, "Despite being told not to eat strange things you find laying around, this deep conditioner will help restore your hair to grow and grow with scents of scrumptious yellow cake, with a fresh slathering of rich, creamy vanilla frosting, topped with fresh white pineapple slices and garnished with a sprig of blooming cilantro." This is my favorite scent in the entire collection. Alright, so the next thing is the We're All Mad Here perfume oil. It comes in a cute little roller ball. It's a very small little bottle. This is their typical perfume oil size that they send. So this is basically a full-size product. I'm not trying it. I'm allergic to their perfume oils. There's something in it, so I won't be trying this. But I do like the scent. The scent of this card reads, "I'm mad, you're mad, you must be if you're here and reading this. You're entirely bonkers, but I'll tell you a secret. All the best people are, especially the fortune freaks," which is what the fandom is called of this company. The scent is, "Let loose and go a little crazy with scents of playful mint waters and natural leafy green notes as they go mental with musky scent of rich cedar wood." I'm going to save their namesake until the end. They do have a fortune cookie soap. The next thing I have is Futter Whackin' Liquid Shampoo, and this is kind of a newer product to them. They've only been doing it maybe for 2 years now that I'm aware of. It's after the slaying of the Jabberwocky, turn on some tunes and use this liquid shampoo that will have your head spinning continuously with scents of sun-warmed lilies, brightened by a splash of grapefruit and a breath of purified air, free from the evil spread by the Queen of Hearts. Oh, that's interesting. I wouldn't mind washing my hair with that. It smells really good. The citrus notes are really, really strong in it though. So if you're not really into grapefruit, you wouldn't want to use this, but it does smell really good. And the last thing is the Almost Alice Fortune Cookie Soap. Now, this is where the name of the company comes from. This is what they started out making first, and they blossomed into a really big online company. So this is what it looks like. Look at me bubbling. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. Has a cute little butterfly attached to it. And they do have fortunes in them. Mine did come out already. So I will read that to you. It says, it doesn't matter which way you go so long as you get somewhere. I like that. And then this company puts what fragrance it is and their website on the back of these little fortunes. And they also put the Bible verse, Matthew 6:34. So that's kind of neat that they included that on there as well. The scent is whether too small or too tall. This FCS is almost to the right amount of muchness required for Alice, with scents of fresh green snap peas and juicy pears. Brighten this bouquet of sweet pea flowers and freesia sprinkled with ripe berries. This is one of my other favorite scents. It's real pretty blue. And you can use this as decoration, or you can actually use it as a hand soap. Smells really good. So that concludes the review of the monthly box. Now, when they do a monthly box, they do an extended collection. They make other products that are scented with the scents that came in the box. There'll be different types. So for me, I actually picked up 4 products that I thought I would like. The first one I was able to pick up is a room spray. This is just like a typical, you spray it in the bathroom when you use the restroom, or you can spray it on your linens to kind of perk up the scent of your linens. And it just comes in a spray bottle like this, and it says on the side of how to use it, it says instantly freshen up your personal space, wherever that might be, perfect for dorm rooms, shared bathrooms, or that annoying stinky family member. Ultra concentrated room spray freshens and deodorizes linens, towels, and clothing with a unique conditioning agent. It's amazing. Like, I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited to get it. Then they had a bar soap of the We're All Mad Here, and the reason I bought this is because of what is on it. The We're All Mad Here is the scent for the Cheshire Cat, basically. And so they did a bar soap that is Cheshire Cat inspired. Let me fix it a little bit so it looks good on camera. It is kind of modeled after his body with the stripes of the bar soap, and then it has a cute little glycerin cutout of him attached to the top of the soap. So this was, I simply bought this because I love the Cheshire Cat, or Cheshire, however you say that word. I say Cheshire. And it's just wonderful. And this will last me a long time because I don't use a lot of bar soap. But I just simply bought it because it was cute. I may not even use it because I don't want to mess the little Cheshire Cat up. But enough about that. Let me get to the last thing. Full disclaimer on this last product. I live in North Carolina, and this company is in Oklahoma. So there are different climates, and the weather changing constantly. So this product was a bar soap, and it's the Eat Me bar soap, and the reason it's in this bag like this is because it came to me damaged. No fault of anybody but the weather and the Postal Service, I'm going to be honest. But what it is it is an Eat Me bar soap, and it was supposed to look like a cupcake. This is how I took it out of the container that it was in. I'll show that too. But it's a cupcake shape, and it had whipped soap as the topping, but with the climate and it being jostled around, it just ended up all over the container. They sent it in this really cute cupcake container, but as you can see, the weather did not let it come to me like it should. So that's nobody's fault, it's just weather. But you can see the whipped soap right there. and it would have made really pretty presentations, but I'm going to have Alex put a picture of what it looks like embedded into the video so you can see how pretty it was supposed to be. So I'm pretty excited to use all these products. I haven't actually used any of them yet. I was waiting to do the haul. So if you're interested, we will leave a link to Fortune Cookie Soap in the description below. They do still have some of this collection available, however, it does sell out very fast. So if you're interested in getting it, jump on it now. This is actually the February. The March has shipped. I will have it in the next video. So if you're interested, just click the link, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.